Welcome to Auto Paradise. Today, we're diving into one of the most thrilling middleweight sport bikes of 2025, the Honda CBR600RR. This machine continues Honda's legacy of high-performance engineering, blending razor-sharp handling with cutting-edge technology. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for track-ready precision or a passionate enthusiast seeking an exhilarating street experience, the 2025 CBR600RR delivers on all fronts. At the heart of this beast is a 599cc inline-4 engine that screams to an impressive redline, delivering a rush of power throughout the rev range. With Honda's refined fuel injection and updated ride-by-wire throttle, the power delivery is smooth yet aggressive when you need it. The engine tweaks for 2025 focus on improved mid-range torque, ensuring a more responsive feel when rolling on the throttle. Whether you're carving through canyon roads or pushing limits on the track, this bike keeps you engaged with its relentless performance. Honda has fine-tuned the aerodynamics for 2025, taking inspiration from their MotoGP machines. The redesigned front fairing and integrated winglets not only enhance the bike's aggressive styling but also provide improved downforce at high speeds. This means better stability and confidence when accelerating out of corners. The sleek, race-inspired design isn't just about aesthetics. It plays a crucial role in making the CBR600RR one of the most balanced bikes in its class. When it comes to handling, the 2025 CBR600RR is an absolute masterpiece. The lightweight aluminum frame is engineered for optimal rigidity, providing excellent feedback and precision when cornering. The fully adjustable Showa suspension system ensures that riders can fine-tune their setup for different riding conditions, whether it's a smooth track day or a rough city commute. The bike's weight distribution and improved chassis dynamics make it incredibly agile, allowing riders to flick through corners with ease. Braking performance is just as impressive. Equipped with dual 310mm front discs and radially mounted Brembo calipers, the stopping power is immediate and confidence-inspiring. Honda's electronic combined ABS ensures optimal braking force distribution, helping riders maintain control even under hard braking. The system is refined enough to provide assistance without being intrusive, striking the perfect balance between safety and performance. Technology has always been a strong suit for Honda, and the 2025 CBR600RR is no exception. The full-color TFT display provides real-time data, including speed, gear position, traction control settings, and even lap times for track enthusiasts. The bike features multiple ride modes: rain, sport, and track, allowing riders to customize power delivery, traction control, and engine braking based on their riding environment. The inclusion of Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) ensures optimal grip, preventing unwanted wheel spin in tricky conditions. One of the standout additions this year is the upgraded quick shifter, allowing for seamless clutchless upshifts and downshifts. This not only enhances performance on the track but also makes street riding more engaging. The refined slipper clutch further ensures smooth downshifts, preventing rear wheel lockup during aggressive deceleration. These features make the CBR600RR a joy to ride, whether you're cruising on highways or attacking a set of tight corners. The 2025 CBR600RR also benefits from Honda's latest electronic steering damper, adjusting automatically based on speed and riding conditions. At low speeds, the steering remains light and nimble, while at higher speeds, the system tightens up for increased stability. This provides a confident ride without sacrificing agility, making it one of the most well-rounded sport bikes in its category. Honda has also made strides in rider comfort without compromising the bike's aggressive nature. The ergonomics are slightly tweaked to provide a better balance between aggressive riding and long-distance comfort. The seat is redesigned with improved padding, and the clip-on handlebars are positioned for a more natural grip, reducing fatigue on extended rides. While this bike is still built for spirited riding, Honda ensures that you won't feel completely drained after a full day of riding. Fuel efficiency remains commendable for a Supersport, thanks to Honda's advanced engine management system. The improved fuel injection mapping ensures that riders get the best mileage possible without sacrificing performance. While no one buys a CBR600RR purely for fuel economy, it's nice to know that Honda has kept efficiency in mind for those who use it as a daily rider. For 2025, Honda is offering the CBR600RR in multiple color schemes, including the classic Grand Prix Red, a sleek matte black edition, and a new HRC-inspired livery that pays tribute to Honda's racing heritage. No matter which option you choose, this bike is guaranteed to turn heads wherever you ride. So, who is this bike for? The 2025 CBR600RR is perfect for riders who crave a high-revving, track-focused machine that still delivers a thrilling experience on the streets. It's an excellent choice for those who appreciate Honda's legendary reliability, cutting-edge technology, and race-inspired performance. Whether you're upgrading from a smaller bike or you're an experienced rider looking for a refined middleweight sport bike, the CBR600RR is one of the best options in its class. That's it for today's look at the 2025 Honda CBR600RR. What do you think about this bike? Is it the ultimate middleweight supersport? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Paradise for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest and greatest from the world of motorcycles.